Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can change your departure airport in Cebu Pacific. Okay, so here's the real thing about it. After you've confirmed your booking, you already paid for your ticket, you cannot really change your departure airport. So during the very first step, when you book your flight here in Cebu Pacific, you have to make sure that your departure airport is correct. So, for example, we are flying from Manila, Philippines, and we are flying to China. Okay, so let me just select a random date right here. That's right. And then let's go and search for flights. Okay, so once you've confirmed this booking, you've already selected your ticket for this booking, then you cannot change your departure airport. And it's one of the rules here in Cebu Pacific. Okay, so you just have to take note of that. And during your booking, you have to make sure that your departure airport is correct. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.